So today in the mail came the plunger. So I've gone, like I was saying, I'm not going to run it all the way up like it was before, so I'm just going to, I need to choke it. I can pull my hand down there and do it that way. I don't need to have it up near my controls for ease of access. So again, this is just a plastic thread. Make sure you're gentle with these because the last one pretty much is smashed up. So I've been out and I've gotten some more fuel line and what have you, so I should theoretically be able to put it all back together and give you a test run. Yes, there are some bolts on this that are missing, and I'm aware, however I do not think that's going to potentially cause an issue. I've noticed enough sort of damage that was done prior through the disassembly, so it's snug. So choke in, choke out. She's a bit firm, so I might actually look into seeing whether or not I can make it a bit smoother. Whether it be lubricant or seizing in the actual units is not an uncommon occurrence, and particularly when you've got it sitting up near the handlebars, because when it rains and stuff, what ends up happening is the cable ends up getting rusted and it runs down the cable. Yeah, it's already got a little bit of a bearing happening on that. So what I might just do is send it down a little bit more. Put a little bit of it's a motor style, much smoother now. So ideally you'd probably want to load that up every now and then, ensure that it's doing its thing. Like I said, fuel lines, I've essentially got enough to set that all up. And I also noticed that the breather valve coming up off the top of the crankcase, that was split and stuff. So I've actually gone and gotten some more tube. Now that will eventually turn into another plug filter in time, but like I said, for now I want to actually just get this thing operational, so I can take it for a test ride, make sure I know where we're at, get my roadworthy for it, and then I can start to think about more of those elements. So that's on. That's all. Two biscuits.